And that journey really started with it was a personal journey. So it came about because of a personal trauma. And that personal trauma sort of made me self-reflect a lot. It made me start to question how society reacts to gender-based violence, and how we as women react to violence, how the men around you react. So there was a lot of, reading, self-reflection. It made me feel like, how important it is to raise your voice, to speak up, to not be silent, no matter what the signals from society are that, this is not something you talk about. I felt like, no, it is important to talk about. So because my training has really been, I'm a psychiatrist, but my training has been very much based also on therapy, on psychotherapy. And psychotherapy is a lot about self-reflection and that journey of finding yourself. So ये सारी चीज़ें उस वक्त मुझे ज़्यादा समझ में आना शुरू हुई. So I can't say कि I came to Pakistan with this idea कि मैंने बहुत कुछ यहाँ करना है. No, it wasn't like that. I came here to practice psychiatry and certainly to raise awareness on things where I felt like ये psychiatric issues इन लोगों में हमें awareness raise करनी है. But because of that incident, what happened was that I started really thinking about all of these things of social conditioning, what is society's message about violence against women, some of my friends, why are they reacting the way they're reacting, all those things started coming into my mind. I started looking at what other women are doing, what's happening with women's rights. That's how I started coming into, sort of got into this field. मुझे कोई NGOs के बारे में नहीं पता था, बहुत ज़्यादा activist मैं नहीं थी बिल्कुल भी. And then I started working with groups of women, sort of just got together a safe space for women to talk. And once when women started talking, they felt safe to talk about their issues. That's how then we started saying, this has to be much more. This can't just be at an individual level.
Yeah.
Because so many women are facing these kind of issues. And then, of course, the question of why are we facing them? Why are we putting up with it?
Yeah.
Right? So, in some ways, Rosen भी बहुत organically, Rosen के बहुत सारे programs हैं. So, it sort of need जैसे जैसे आती रही, वो बनती गई चीज़ें. सो फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल हमारा जो बच्चों का प्रोग्राम है आंगन, वो इसलिए हुआ क्योंकि जब औरतें ग्रुप में बैठी और उन्होंने बात करना शुरू की अपने मसाइल की और जो चीज़ें उनको अफेक्ट करती हैं, उनके बचपन में क्या हुआ उनके साथ, तो अगेन एंड अगेन द इशू ऑफ चाइल्ड सेक्सुअल अब्यूज केम अप, which they had never really spoken about and which had a great impact on their life, on their relationships. Right? So then we said, this is an issue we have to talk about. We have to start raising awareness on that. So Angan came into being. At the same time, when one goes through a sort of traumatic incident and your sort of your space is violated, and you feel like all men are really terrible. You get very angry with men.
Yeah.
But then as we were working and this process of trying to look at ourselves and look at others, and you realize that, a lot of men around us are feminists at heart.
Yeah.
They want to support women. Sometimes they don't know how to, but they do. And they're not all bad. And so we felt very strongly that men should be part of our work.
Right.
So we took men along, and then gradually this developed into a program in Rosen, which is called Hum Kadam, जो कि masculinities पे काम करता है, boys और men के साथ काम करता है. तो उसका focus ही वही है. Because we felt कि मर्दों को साथ लेके चलना है हमने. अलग औरतें सिर्फ अपने, ये सिर्फ औरतों के issues हैं ही नहीं actually.
Yeah.
ये issues society के issues हैं. और ये मर्दों को भी इफ़ेक्ट करते हैं. सो इसलिए बहुत ज़रूरी है कि हम मिल के चलें इसमें, ना कि एक दूसरे के दुश्मन बन जाएं और एक दूसरे पे गुस्सा करें. एंड दैट डजंट वर्क, राइट?